The age of technology is booming, and the manufacturing industry is becoming more technological up-to-date. OK CNC machine technology innovation and continues to write technology quality, unfolding a new chapter in spinning industry in unremitting exploration. We sail with the wind, we gather every step of brilliance, and we always stay the course. Witnessing the beginning with growth, responding to the ideal with breakthroughs. Shanghai OK Machine Company Limited was founded in 2009. It's a high-tech enterprise oriented to metal spinning technology. Over the last years, we have been committed to the research and development, design and manufacture of non-standard and specialized CNC spinning equipment. And our products and technology have always been at the forefront of the spinning industry. At present, we have OK Machine Suzhou Company Limited, Shanghai OK Intelligent Technology Development Company Limited, Suzhou Qingzheng Intelligent Manufacturing Technology Company Limited. We attach importance to technology development, focusing on the introduction of advanced technology in the spinning industry, and constantly expanding its own technology research and development team to strengthen the core competitiveness. We maintain good technical exchanges in cooperation with many research institutes and professional colleagues in China and abroad, so that our spinning technology is always in the leading position, with production